Yeah. Yeah. You have a lot to say this morning. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, that's cool. Goodness gracious. Boy, you got up the stairs fast. You're fast. What are you doing? Hello. I'm making a recording of Simon with my phone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Cute boy.
He is a cutie.
Yeah, computers.
Oh. Yeah, I see.
You gotta hold him up in front of the phone.
Those are nice. I like those. Can Grandma have some? Thank you. Those are so good. Nom 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 nom. Yum 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 yum. Those are so good. Thank you. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Those are so good. Those are so goody. Thank you. Thank you. You're too cute, Simon. Thank you. Num num num. Those are good. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Let me get it. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you. Those are good. Delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Grandma likes those. What are you doing? Are you still trying to feed Grandma? Here. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Okay. What is that? Is that a toy? Is that a little toy? Yeah. Are you going to show me something? Boy, there's a lot of toys. There's a lot of toys in there. Mm-hmm. Is that the dollhouse? Yeah, that's a dollhouse. Where are you, Simon? I can't see you. Pick up the phone so I can see you. Hello. There you are. Yeah, that's cool. I'm inside the dollhouse. I never thought I'd fit in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Are you there? Hello. There you are. There you are. Do you have the baby doll for the dollhouse? Where's the baby in the dollhouse? Do you see him? Let's see. Show the phone. Let me see it by the phone. I can't see it unless you put it by the telephone. Pick up the phone so I can see. There it is. There. There's Simon. Do you like the dollhouse? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's nice. I like that. That's a little tiny house. That's a little house. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where's Sophia and Agnes and Oliver? Are they downstairs? There's Oliver. Hi, Ollie. What are you guys doing? Just playing?
No, I'm just going to see what Simon's doing. Hope he's not messing it. Making a mess.
Is he messing with your Legos?
No, he's messing with dolls.
Do you have your Legos set up on that big table still?
Oh.
Where's all your Legos? Do you still have that table with all your Legos on it?
Yeah, here.
Where's it at? Let's see. Wow. That's a lot.
Just showing her all the Legos. And then there's the boxes over there.
Yeah. Boy, you have so many Legos. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Hey.
Sammy, this guy's showing half of your face.
Oh. Simon. Simon. Do 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 do.
Simon, what are you doing? Simon, you gotta turn on the camera.
Yeah, turn around, Simon, so I can see the camera. There you are. There's Simon. You have to turn it the other way. There you go. There's Simon. There he is. Reconnection.